financial health of the country's cooperative bank is very good. The RBI is taking steps to improve the financial condition of these banks. The licenses of banks that do not have enough capital and earning potential are being cancelled. RBI has been imposing penalties on those banks that are not able to fully comply with its rules and regulations. RBI data shows that at the end of March 2021, there were a total of 98,042 cooperative banks in the country. These included 96,508 rural cooperative banks and 1,534 urban cooperative banks. Scope of business of urban cooperative banks, that is UCBs, was very huge, but due to all kinds of flaws, now very little scope of business is left. At the end of 2004, there were 1,926 urban cooperative banks in the country. This came down to 1,534 at the end of March 2021. This means cooperative banks are constantly closing down. So the question is, why is the financial health of cooperative banks deteriorating? Who prefers to deposit money in these banks? And how safe is their money? Suresh Kumar Bansal, a former banker, says that cooperative banks have the participation of local people. They take advantage of the personal contact. The staff of cooperative banks set up in rural areas and small towns get more in touch with the local people. These banks offer higher interest as compared to commercial banks. Because of this, a large number of people prefer to deposit money in cooperative banks. Bansal says that on behalf of the RBI, the Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation guarantees a payment of 5 lakh rupees to an account holder of a bank. If a bank collapses, you will not get more than 5 lakh rupees. To avoid this situation, do not deposit your entire money in the same bank. If you have large amount, then some money should be deposited in the cooperative bank and some with other bank. This will reduce the risk of your deposit. Impact of bank collapse on customers. RBI has clarified that penalty imposed on banks will not affect customers. There is no need to panic. However, if the license of a bank is cancelled, then the account holders can be affected. DICGC provides insurance cover of up to 5 lakh rupees. If the bank collapses or the license is cancelled, then each account holder will be paid a deposit of up to 5 lakh rupees. During the year 2021-22, DICGC has paid more than 8,516 crore rupees to 12.94 lakh depositors. This amount was released to the account holders of banks shut down in different parts of the country or banks whose licenses have been cancelled. Obviously, if there is more than 5 lakh rupees deposited in a bank, then the amount above 5 lakh rupees will not be paid if the bank collapses.